Hello, you must be facing a lot of problems in project execution, right? Many problems are related to design, and I'm sure you also must be facing it because I faced it. Hello, friends, welcome. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss risk in EPC projects, problems with respect to design. So I'm going to show you one table which will make you what are the areas where we default, what are the mitigation plans. This is a simple video but very profound. Thank you so much for subscribing my channels, liking it. I request you to please spread it. Those who are new to my channels, please subscribe it. So let us start with this small table. We got risk name, we got risk impact, and what are the mitigation strategies. The first risk name, first risk on EPC project is incomplete or inaccurate design. That actually impacts project with project delays. They include increased cost due to rework because the design is incomplete. So you do work, again do rework. Quality issues because when you do one work or two works multiple times and the reworks, obviously quality gets impacted. And there are potential safety hazards. If the design is not proper, design is not safe enough, you will have potential safety hazards. What should be the mitigation strategies? Mitigation strategy, first important thing is conduct regular design reviews and audits. Get it done a peer review, a designer or experienced designer, so that you get a fair idea that your design is okay, right? Conduct those weekly reviews or regular reviews on design. Involve an experienced designer or get a peer review done. Utilize design software. There are a lot of softwares that are available which will get identify the errors on which you can decide what is to be done and clear those errors. The second aspect of our design is frequent design changes, and this is there in many projects, right? Increasing the project cost is the impact because of that. Delay in procurement, because when it go on changing, it also impacts the procurement delivery, and obviously the construction gets delayed. And because of this, there is a reduction in productivity. These are the impacts on the project. How do we mitigate it? First important thing, the first thing on the project, you have to have a change control board which will approve that design change. Without change control board approval, you should not move with design change implementation. So that is very important. Otherwise, everybody will start doing changes and you will have no idea. Then we will get into major issues, right? Establish a clear change control process, change management process in the beginning itself. So if this is a change, how it triggers, who evaluates it, who gives an impact, who approves it. Without it, it will not move. And most important, why the design changes come? Because you don't involve the major stakeholders, the key stakeholders early. So when they come late, they say, no, this was not supposed to be done. This was supposed to be done like this. Changes start there. So involve them early so that you reduce this frequent design changes. Second important aspect. The third is insufficient design coordinations. And this happens, and I've seen multiple times, clashes, conflicts during the construction is the impact. Reworks, obviously, delays, and that actually adds to additional costs. How do we do this? Hold coordination meetings with all the stakeholders. When I talk about MEP, if there are 4 or 5 MEP contractors, get them together, hold that coordination point. Otherwise, the first item which is supposed to be installed first, the second will go and install it. The first misses it, second has to remove it, then he has to go up. A lot of confusion, a lot of clashes, a lot of disputes. Ensure all design teams are aligned. They know what is to be done. There are interfaces which needs to be done. BIM is another important aspect, or software which can be better for coordination. That will give a lot of clash-free designs, and you can reduce the impact, right? So these are some of the important risk management issues or risks in EPC project with respect to design. I will come up with more such videos in other areas also, but this is, I thought, is more common for all of us, right? EPC, MEP, we face this. So thank you so much for subscribing. Please, as I said, those who are new, subscribe my channel, follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, ajazkazi.com. Thank you so much.